You can utilize custom console commands to quickly interact with your game environment. First, to access the console while the editor is in the play mode, you have to press the tilde key. However, you can also see or adjust the key for opening the console in your project settings under Engine, Input Settings and Console keys. To add a new custom command, you can for example create a custom cheat manager that inherits from U Cheat Manager. This allows you to store all your console commands in one location. But you can also define them, for example, in the game mode, game instance or player controller class. If you have created a new cheat manager class, you have to link it to your player controller. This can be done by setting the cheat class of your player controller to the appropriate class. And now, if you spawn an instance of this player controller, you can also use the console commands within our new cheat manager class. Now, to declare a new console command, you have to declare a new function, mark it as a U function and add the exec specifier to it. This allows the function to be executed from within the console. In this case, we just want to log a simple message without taking any parameters to the function. Now, after compilation, you have to open the console and then type the name of the command. You can also use the arrow keys to select one of the proposed commands or the tab key to autocomplete the command. After you have entered your command, you can execute it with pressing enter. And as you can see, our beautiful message gets logged to the output log. Now, let's say we want to add a few parameters to our command, for example, the player level. For that, we have to add a parameter to the argument list of our function. Now, to execute this new version of our command, we first have again to enter the command name, and then to enter a value for our argument, we first have to enter a space after the command name, and then we can provide the value. If a command takes multiple arguments, you have to separate each of them with another space. But with that, you should already be able to extend the console with custom commands. However, those commands are not accessible in a shipping build of your game. And therefore, remember that those types of commands should mostly serve debugging purposes. Like always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Otherwise, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.